Hey guys, so just following up from my previous trades entered last week, and so we already are aware of LTO, which made a 10% profit thereabouts. We did have LSK hit in 3 days, so it did take a little bit longer. So bought on the 15th, sold on the 18th, so was able to get that profit locked in, no problem. And then also Firo that I did mention in the previous video got almost 10% profit. Uh, just wanted to get my profit out there. Then basically Bitcoin just took a turn for the worse when I started putting more investments. So we'll take a look at what I did put in. So basically I've purchased ARPA. I've also purchased CTXC, and I've purchased NKN and PNT. So you'll see here, these are the buys that I produced, and these buys were prior to Bitcoin basically falling down to 29 and basically consolidating for a span of a couple of days or 2 days at least. So now that it's been, those 2 days' time, it's now bounced back up. It's hit 32,000. Now it's going to come down a little bit, hitting that local resistance. So what I'm seeing with Bitcoin is it will actually probably rise after that few days in that 29,000s. So I didn't actually sell out of my positions because in crypto, things can really wick down, wick up. So what I've bought was already pretty much lows for those coins, except CTXC. I did buy not necessarily on the true low, but you won't realize any profits or losses unless you do sell. So I was to pull the trigger at 29,000, I would have made much more of a loss than just holding. So I'm currently holding on these coins, and we'll just have to see what happens in the next day or two, whether some of them pop. Some of them already hit their buy. So the buy price that I originally purchased prior to the dip. So since Bitcoin's risen to 32 and then starting to come back down a little bit, I did reach their exact price for some of these coins, but I've decided to just leave my stop losses or stop gains, I guess, at that 10% from what I originally purchased from. And you might not be surprised to see Bitcoin actually start increasing now. So it's hit 32, a local support, local resistance now, and I think it's going to break that and increase up. So we'll see what happens going forward.